Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the chart of DXY, not the chart of gold. Yes, this is the chart of DXY, and this is the 4 hour chart of gold. Okay, so let's talk about the chart of DXY first. And as we all know, market is acting super crazy. Market is extremely volatile, and this is the main reason I told in my yesterday's video not to trade, especially beginners and new traders, because right now it's your duty to protect your capital. And as you all know that gold is extremely bullish right now, and if you look at the chart of DXY is going down. Previously we had an ascending triangle pattern kind of a setup here on the chart of DXY. We had hopes that DXY would be taking support at the trend line and going up, because this was a classic example of ascending triangle pattern. But yesterday volatility was high, selling pressure was high, and market broke the trend line. And now you can see dollar is trading at 96.02. So this trend line is no longer valid. This trend line is no longer valid, and we do not have the ascending triangle pattern now. It's gone. So what are the possibilities here? The first possibility is, yes, you can see market taking support at 95.80 level, and as I have already mentioned numerous number of times, that 95.80 to 95.50 is a strong support zone for US dollar. So there's a good possibility when dollar will be coming here, there will be a good bounce. But market is crazy now. Okay, so we don't know, but still we have I'm very much positive that in case 95.80 fails to provide support, then at least 95.50 will be providing support to the market. So if you are trading on gold, then you must keep your one eye on the chart of DXY, because otherwise you will be losing a big amount of money. Yesterday many people have lost their hard-earned money. I have received many screenshots, many messages where people have shared their pain. Okay, so you must be careful. So now look at the chart of gold here. So first of all, gold has broke the resistance of 1790 level. We had a resistance at 1790 level, and 1790 was a very old level, and market has broke the level and now trading at 1802 level. If you have watched my other videos, there you know that the strongest resistance in this chart is the 1810 to 1815. This is the strongest resistance in the market. But before that we have a resistance from the 200 moving average at 1805 level. Listen to me careful, things are about to get a little bit complicated. Okay. At 1805, okay, at 1805, 1806 level, we have the 200 moving average acting as a resistance. You can easily see on the chart. Apart from this, if you look at the weekly chart also, then you will find resistance from the weekly chart as well at the same level. So there is a possibility of market seeing some selling pressure at this particular level, because we have the weekly resistance plus we have the 200 moving average. But that does not mean that we should be selling here right now. If you want to take the risk, that's your call. But again, I'll say that we have a resistance, but that does not mean that this is a safe level to trade. No, gold chart is not safe right now. Okay, so if you want to take a sell position, it's your risk. But I'll say that considering the present bullishness in the market, you should give some time to the market to settle down. You should not trade on gold right now. You should just wait and watch. Okay, in case if you see good selling from here, then you can take a sell position later after a couple of hours. But right now you should not sell immediately, because that may be risky, and if possible do not trade today. Because if you are a trader, okay, if you are a real trader, then you must learn when you should not trade as well. We always think that being a trader we should trade. No, a trader should also know when not to trade, because it's your capital. Okay, It's your cap. You are not trading means you are just keeping safe your capital right now. Okay? Because not trading is better than losing money. Anyways, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, breaks the level of 1805, then the next important resistance will be 1810 to 1815. There is a good possibility of market reversing. If it reverses, then you can take a sell position, you can take a short position, and your SL will be at around 1817 or 1818 level. Okay, around 1817 or 1818 level. This can be your SL, and you can take a sell position. And right now, keep in mind that 1805 is not a safe level. If you want to take a sell position, that's your risk. Beginners, please avoid trading at least for this week. Not for gold, for any pair, you should not be trading at least for Friday. Moreover, in case market comes down, then the 1790, yes, in case market comes down, then 1790 will be the new support for the market again, because previously this was the resistance and this will be the new support. So if market comes down, 1790 will be acting as a new support. Let's wait and watch. I'll be coming down tomorrow again to provide a detailed analysis. Let's see where the market goes, uh, how much craziness we have in the market left. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.